What if everything you've been told about money and happiness isn't entirely true? In a world where wealth is often seen as the ultimate measure of success, the reality behind financial abundance and true fulfillment is far more complex. In this video, we're diving into the unspoken truths about money, through the eyes of billionaires who have experienced both the highs of extreme wealth and the hidden struggles that come with it. While money can provide freedom, comfort, and opportunities, it doesn't automatically guarantee happiness. In fact, some of the richest individuals openly share their battles with loneliness, anxiety, and the immense pressure that wealth brings. So, what does it really mean to be happy in a material-driven world? Understanding these deeper truths isn't just important for those chasing wealth. It's essential for anyone who wants to align their financial goals with a truly fulfilling life. By the end of this video, you'll gain powerful insights that could shift your perspective on success, money, and happiness. So whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or simply curious about the realities of the ultra-wealthy, stay with me. This might just change the way you view wealth forever. When it comes to money and happiness, many of us have been conditioned to believe certain myths that shape our understanding of wealth. One prevalent belief is that more money directly translates to greater happiness. We often hear phrases like, "Money can't buy happiness," yet we still cling to the idea that a bigger paycheck or a luxurious lifestyle will solve our problems and bring us joy. However, insights from billionaires challenge this conventional wisdom. Many wealthy individuals have shared that while financial security can alleviate stress and provide opportunities, it doesn't guarantee lasting happiness. For instance, some billionaires have expressed that the pursuit of wealth can lead to a relentless cycle of wanting more, leaving them feeling unfulfilled despite their riches. They often emphasize the importance of relationships, purpose, and personal growth as key components of true happiness, elements that money alone cannot buy. This invites us to question our own assumptions about money. Are we chasing wealth in hopes of achieving happiness, or are we focusing on what truly matters in life? It's essential to reflect on what brings us joy and fulfillment beyond material possessions. As we unpack these myths, we encourage you to think critically about your beliefs surrounding money and happiness. Are you holding on to ideas that may not serve you? By challenging these conventional notions, you can begin to redefine your relationship with wealth and discover a more profound sense of happiness that transcends financial status. Join us as we explore these insights further and uncover a more balanced perspective on money and happiness. When we look at the relationship between wealth and happiness, the perspectives of billionaires can offer profound insights that often contradict conventional wisdom. For instance, Richard Branson, the founder of the Virgin Group, once said, "Money is a great servant, but a poor master." This quote encapsulates the idea that while money can facilitate experiences and opportunities, it should never dictate our happiness or self-worth. Branson's journey illustrates that true fulfillment comes from pursuing passions and making a positive impact rather than merely accumulating wealth. Similarly, Oprah Winfrey, a billionaire media mogul, has shared her belief that true success is not about how much money you make, but how much you give back. Her experiences highlight that happiness often stems from meaningful connections and contributions to others, rather than the size of one's bank account. Oprah's philanthropic efforts have not only enriched the lives of countless individuals, but have also brought her immense personal joy. These anecdotes reveal a common thread among many billionaires. Their experiences often diverge from the belief that wealth alone leads to happiness. Instead, they emphasize the importance of purpose, relationships, and personal growth. The lessons learned from their journeys remind us that while financial success can provide comfort, it is the pursuit of passion, connection, and giving back that truly enriches our lives. As we reflect on these insights, we are encouraged to redefine our understanding of happiness and wealth, focusing on what genuinely brings us joy and fulfillment beyond monetary measures. Having a sense of purpose is a powerful driver of happiness that transcends financial success. While wealth can provide comfort and security, it is often the alignment of that wealth with personal values that leads to true fulfillment. When individuals pursue goals that resonate with their core beliefs, they experience a deeper sense of satisfaction and joy in their lives. Many billionaires exemplify this principle by prioritizing purpose over profit. Take, for instance, Elon Musk, who has dedicated his fortune to advancing sustainable energy and space exploration. His vision for a better future drives his work, and it's clear that his passion for innovation and making a difference fuels his happiness more than financial gain alone. Similarly, Melinda Gates has focused her efforts on global health and education through the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, demonstrating that her commitment to social impact brings her immense fulfillment. These examples illustrate that wealth can be a tool for achieving meaningful goals, but it is the pursuit of purpose that truly enriches one's life. When billionaires align their financial resources with their values, they often find a greater sense of happiness and satisfaction. As we explore this topic, we encourage you to reflect on your own life purpose. What drives you? What values are most important to you? By identifying and pursuing your passions, you can create a life that not only brings you joy, but also contributes positively to the world around you. Remember, true happiness often lies in the journey of fulfilling your purpose, rather than in the accumulation of wealth alone. The impact of wealth on personal relationships and social connections is a complex and often delicate balance. While financial success can open doors and create opportunities, it can also introduce challenges that may strain relationships. Many billionaires have shared their experiences, highlighting the importance of nurturing meaningful connections despite their wealth. For instance, Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors in history, emphasizes the value of relationships over riches. He often speaks about the importance of surrounding oneself with trustworthy and supportive people. Buffett believes that true wealth is measured not just in dollars, but in the quality of the relationships we cultivate. His commitment to maintaining close ties with family and friends serves as a reminder that financial success should not come at the expense of personal connections. Similarly, Oprah Winfrey has often discussed how her relationships have been a cornerstone of her happiness. She prioritizes spending time with loved ones and fostering a sense of community, recognizing that these connections provide emotional support and fulfillment that wealth alone cannot offer. The importance of community and support systems cannot be overstated. Billionaires who actively engage with their communities often find that these relationships enrich their lives and provide a sense of belonging. As we reflect on this topic, it's essential to consider how we can balance our financial pursuits with the cultivation of meaningful relationships. Ultimately, wealth can enhance our lives, but it is the connections we build and the support we offer one another that truly contribute to our happiness and well-being. By prioritizing relationships, we can create a more fulfilling and enriched life, regardless of our financial status. The significance of mindset in achieving both happiness and financial success cannot be overstated. A positive mindset serves as the foundation for overcoming challenges and seizing opportunities, and many billionaires exemplify this principle through their journeys. They understand that cultivating a constructive outlook is essential for navigating the complexities of life and business. For instance, Tony Robbins, a renowned entrepreneur and motivational speaker, emphasizes the power of a growth mindset. He believes that our thoughts shape our reality, and by adopting a mindset focused on growth and possibility, individuals can unlock their potential. Billionaires like Robbins often practice visualization and affirmations, techniques that help them maintain a positive perspective even in the face of adversity. Gratitude and resilience also play crucial roles in fostering happiness. Many successful individuals, including Oprah Winfrey, regularly express gratitude for their experiences, both good and bad. This practice not only enhances their overall well-being, but also allows them to appreciate the journey rather than just the destination. Resilience, the ability to bounce back from setbacks, is another key trait that billionaires cultivate. They view failures as learning opportunities, which ultimately contributes to their long-term success and happiness. As we explore the importance of mindset, we encourage you to adopt a growth mindset in your own life. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth, practice gratitude daily, and develop resilience in the face of obstacles. By shifting your perspective, you can create a more fulfilling life that aligns with your financial and personal goals. Remember, your mindset is a powerful tool that can shape your path to happiness and success. As we wrap up our exploration of the unspoken truths about money and happiness from a billionaire's perspective, let's recap the key takeaways. We've discussed how wealth does not automatically equate to happiness, highlighting the importance of aligning financial success with personal values and purpose. Insights from billionaires like Warren Buffett and Oprah Winfrey remind us that meaningful relationships and community support are essential for true fulfillment. Additionally, we explored how cultivating a positive mindset, characterized by gratitude and resilience, can significantly impact both our happiness and financial achievements. Now we encourage you to reflect on your own financial and life goals. Are you pursuing wealth in a way that aligns with your values? Are you nurturing the relationships that bring you joy? Taking the time to consider these questions can lead to a more balanced and fulfilling life. If you found this discussion valuable, we invite you to engage with us further. Please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on money, happiness, and personal growth. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends and family who might benefit from these perspectives. Your support helps us continue to create meaningful discussions that inspire and empower others on their journeys. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to exploring more thought-provoking topics with you in the future.